Okay, so in this video, I will be talking about something that is very important for you to know right now. You are being asked by the spirit and by universe to focus. Focus is something that you are really required to do right now. I was checking Archangel Michael's videos for you, and this is the card that has come, which is regain your focus. It says that trivial life matters are distracting you right now from your goals. So I see that there is some business opportunity, something that is really coming towards you at a very high speed, and you have been asked to focus only on the goals that you wanted to achieve in terms of your business, because this message is not just from Archangel Michael, it's from the Archangel Michael deck. I am using this deck, but it's coming from Archangel Metatron. And Archangel Metatron is a wonderful archangel, who helps you to gain lots and lots of abundance, lot of material prosperity, lot of abundance in terms of material prosperity and all that we want, in career, in terms of Dhan Lakshmi and all of those things. So Archangel Metatron is an angel who actually helps you to get that. Whenever you are making any prayers, angels really listen to it. So if it's forwarded to one angel, then only that angel responds, but if it is just in general, then lots of angels like actually listen to it. And in my background, I'm listening to this really amazing meditative music while I was channeling these messages. Hi, I'm Angelica, and in this video I'm going to be channeling messages for you. So I'm just going to be speaking things, and you know what, I have not planned what I'm going to say, or there is no script in front of me. Whatever I'm telling you is directly getting flowed through me so that it reaches you, my friend. So these messages are meant to find you, and as a psychic and as a channel guide for you, I will be telling you all the things that your spirit angels and universe wants you to know right now. So if you are watching this video, you did not just come to it like that. Whenever you're watching it, it is meant to find you right now, and that's why you're watching it. If you have to claim the message, and I'm going to give you a lot while speaking, I'm going to be manifesting with you, for you, and I'm going to be making sure that the things that you will be manifesting comes to you at a faster pace, and you can get those things quickly, okay, while I'm doing the video. So please listen to this video till the end. Now, one more thing that I want to tell you is, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because energy is always reciprocation matters in energy. So the more good you do, the better it gets for you. So all my subscribers, I like to manifest for my family, so do subscribe. Now, first thing is, you're asked to focus. Maybe some things are there in your life that is changing your focus. Maybe you are thinking about a lot of different things, different people, different situations, who is speaking bad about you, or what who is doing, or maybe two things in your life. Maybe it's your relationships and it's your work, you're trying to balance between them, or maybe some people in your life and your love life. Maybe a lot of things are there where you are trying to balance out things. So with I got the Two of Pentacles card for you. So this is a card for balancing. So you have been asked to फोकस, आप उस चीज़ पे फोकस करें जिससे ना आपके लाइफ में जल्दी से ग्राउंडिंग का काम करे, जो आपकी लाइफ में मटेरियल प्रोस्पेरिटी लाए, जिस चीज़ से आपकी लाइफ में ग्रोथ आए, और इस चीज़ की वजह से आपकी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है. डेथ कार्ड शोज दैट देयर विल बी अ बिग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दैट यू गोइंग थ्रू राइट नाउ, ओके. और इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के द्वारा आप एक न्यू वर्ल्ड को मैनिफेस्ट करने वाले हैं. एंड सी द चेंज इज कमिंग. See how the cards are also coming according to what I'm saying. So it's saying, I'm here to guide you through this exciting transformation. देखिए, I just said about the transformation with the death card, and this card is confirming that. I'm going to guide you through that. So while you're listening to my video, you are going to be actually putting your focus in the right direction, and you will be manifesting so many good things, that you've always wanted. You are being asked to understand that it's a time of joyous opportunities. So you are being asked to be the real you. Don't hide yourself. Don't try to think that, I don't know, things have not been working out for me, whether it'll work out for me or not. I'm hearing that things are definitely going to work out for you, and you have to be confident, and you have to believe that yes, it will work out for me, because I deserve the best. And your greatest power will come when you accept yourself, and you be who you truly are, and don't let anyone else suppress, don't let anyone else suppress you from expressing your authentic self. So this is the card that is coming from you for you. Please take this very seriously, because this is a message that is coming from the angels for you, and you are being asked to have no fear. See, I'm channeling the messages while I'm speaking to you. I don't have any script, I have not planned anything. These are just, I am a psychic, and I'm a clairvoyant also. Sorry, clairaudience you said, when you can hear. So I'm hearing that you're being asked to be fearless. You're being asked to not get in a trap of ego. Now, what is ego? Ego is the idea of who you think you are, the idea of self, that I am so and so and I have to behave in so and so manner, and that's what I'm supposed to be doing. I can't be this and I can't do that, because I'm this. So, if you're asked to just shatter all the ego, and you're being asked to let Archangel Michael use his light sword and just, cancel out all the emotions that's holding you back. Everything that's holding you back is supposed to be cancelled out, okay? Nothing that is not meant for you should be there in your body. All you should be having in your body is positive energy, a high vibrational state, and in which you will be creating. So I hear that there has been certain delays in your life. I'm also going to be using the psychic tarot. So those delays that you've had is coming to an end. With the 7 of Pentacles, I hear that you have been working very hard on a lot of things, और आप सोच रहे थे कि इतने टाइम से ये चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में हुई नहीं है तो शायद ये कभी ना हो, बट ऐसा नहीं है. आपको बोला जा रहा है कि हैव लिटिल बिट मोर पेशेंस, बिकॉज इट इज़ डेफिनेटली कमिंग टू यू. विद द हैंग्ड मैन यू आर आस्क्ड टू सी थिंग्स विद अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. आपको अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करने को बोला जा रहा है. यू आर सपोज टू सी थिंग्स इन अ डिफरेंट वे, लाइक regain your focus on the things that you want to manifest. Just let anything that is distracting you from your focus just move away from your mind, okay? Make a vision board, plan it out, make a journal where you can stick pictures of all the things that you want. Maybe you want to go somewhere, or you want certain things in life, make a nice pictorial representation of it, और उसके बाद आप देखना कितना जल्दी it comes to you, because it has happened for me. I am manifesting this, that this video finds only those people who are genuinely interested to manifest their best life. So I have manifested my dream husband, the man I loved. I got married to him. I manifested my dream career, the work that I wanted to do. I have been lucky enough to do those things. It was quite impossible as a woman to do certain works, but I was able to do it. I've been very grateful to have the kind of house that I wanted to live, the lifestyle I wanted to have, and everything that I've had in life. I've manifested a lot of it, and actually every human being is always manifesting. It just totally depends on you, on how you understand the idea of manifestation. Anything that is happening in your life, whether good or bad, you have been actually manifesting it. Now you have to sit down and think, अगर कुछ चीज़ें सही नहीं हो रहा है तो वो भी आप ही का manifestation है. आपको बस बैठ के सोचने की ज़रूरत है that how is it happening, what have you done that these things have also happened, and you can also work on it and fix those things, okay? Now I'm going to be telling you that you have been asked to practice your craft, okay? You are asked to focus on one thing and keep doing that thing with all your intensity, love, devotion, emotion, and make it like a spiritual act of devotion to the God you believe in. Say for example, I believe in Lord Krishna. I'm hearing Lord Krishna, so, and Mahakali and your parents. So just devote the work, do keep making without any fear, and devote that work to God. So God का बस पूजा पाठ ही नहीं होता है. Like you don't just pray to God, and your prayers is very important, but at the same time you're asked to rest and rejuvenate. You're asked to give yourself the peace that you deserve. क्या होता है बहुत टाइम जब हम कुछ चाहते हैं, उसका मतलब हम उस पर वर्क कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप बस काम कर रहे हो और खुद को एकदम एग्जॉस्ट कर दो. एग्जॉस्शन और बैलेंस ऑफ रेस्ट दोनों का एक मतलब बैलेंस होना चाहिए। आप काम करें, उसके बाद आप रेस्ट करें, कुछ चीज़ों को मैनिफेस्ट करें, देन गिव योर सेल्फ अ ब्रेक दे के आप उसको आने दें। मतलब ये ना एक पुश एंड पुल मेथड जैसे वर्क करता है। लाइक यू वांट समथिंग कंटिन्यूअस, यू बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, एंड देन गिव योर सेल्फ अ ब्रेक एंड देन प्रैक्टिस लेटिंग गो। ओके, नाउ डोंट गेट अटैच्ड टू द आउटकम्स, दैट वे you manifest faster. This is the trick that I've been using and it has really helped me to manifest quickly. Like, you have to be very clear about what you want. You should not have a confused state of things. Like आपको क्या चाहिए, you should be very clear about it. For example, when you're making a vision board, you should know what is the dream body that you want. Suppose you're weighing right now 60 kgs and you want to be say 50 kgs or 52 kgs, whatever your desired weight is. Suppose you are 100 kgs, you want to be 80 kgs, whatever your weight is. With a healthy thing, just put a picture on that and visualize it, like how your body would feel, how you would feel, and then connect with that vibrationally. Then put your relationship pictures, how you want your relationships to look like. Suppose you have fights going on with your husband or misunderstanding with your partner, but don't focus on those things, because when you focus on the fights or the misunderstandings, what will happen is you're going to attract more of it. So what you have to do is you should focus on the things that you want. तो उनके साथ आपका हैप्पी रिलेशनशिप कैसे होगा, आपका घर कैसे होगा, यू शुड फोकस ऑन दैट, लाइक व्हाट यू वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट इट. जस्ट फोकस ऑल योर एनर्जी टू दैट. फॉर योर करियर, मे बी यू डूइंग अ 9 to 5, मे बी यू रियली बोर्ड विद योर वर्क, मे बी यू आर डूइंग सम बिजनेस दैट यू इज नॉट वर्किंग, मे बी यू आर नॉट हैविंग इनफ प्रॉफिट्स. तो ऐसे में आपको क्या करना है, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट योर entire focus should be how does it feel when it is working. Okay, so if you have a business, then start focusing on how will it feel when every day you're having so many clients, high paying clients coming to you. You have to close your eyes and just think every single day high paying clients are continuously booking you. You are booked for months. Okay, and you're having so much financial freedom, and with that financial freedom you're able to go shop. You can buy whatever you want without any kind of hesitation. You don't have to look at the price tag of it. You can also gift your your loved ones. Close your eyes and think on all of those things. You're planning a trip, you're booking a nice trip with your partner, you're enjoying the beautiful holiday with your partner. Sometimes you're taking your parents out, your in-laws out, and it feels so good. You're feeling so good to live with dignity. And you manifest it for your husband also. Like, he is so successful, he's so happy, he's doing so well in his work. And if you are not married, then manifest it for your partner, that your partner is sitting down with that ring in his hand. He wants to marry you, he wants to give you that commitment, and he's chosen you for life, and his love is so real, and he loves you with all his love, like all his life. Now think about your career. In your career, you are able to give speeches to a lot of people. You're helping people, guiding people, whether it's wellness industry or it's some other industry that you're in. Just think of that visual, like how does it feel, and how many people you're impacting, how great it feels. Okay, so once you are clear, and then about travel, think about where you're going, how does it feel to travel in those places. So with all of those things, you start putting emotions to it, and then start feeling that emotion. Okay, so that is been asked for you. And then one more angel guidance I'm going to take for you: wisdom. And again, bottom of the deck is rest and rejuvenate and wisdom. So acquire the wisdom, and you do have the wisdom. Maybe you have gone away from certain people who were trying to sabotage you, or who have been trying to block your growth, who have been secretly jealous of you, and you have moved away from them. You're moving away from them, but now with your wisdom, the knowledge that you acquire, the words that I'm saying is going to work as wisdom for you. Okay, so with that kind of knowledge, you're going to be helping so many other people to come out of that darkness, and step into the light, to create the life of their desire. And by living that life, by practicing it, by teaching it, others will also be able to do that. So teach that and use your wisdom. Also, you've been asked to learn certain, maybe you want to take a course, do take that course. Maybe you want to study more, do it. Don't hold yourself back. Don't think that you are old now, you should not do this, and this is not the time anymore. अभी टाइम हो गया, अब मैं नहीं कर सकता, कर सकती, ऐसे मत सोचो. आपको जो एक किसी भी चीज़ में आपको नॉलेज गेन करना है, उसके लिए आप स्टेप्स ले, डिजायर्ड स्टेप्स लेके आपको उसमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। और अपने आप में एक संतुलन लाना है, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। खुद के साथ एक अच्छा रिलेशनशिप बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि आप पीसफुली काम कर पाए। और फिर देखते हैं आपको किस चीज़ से, हाँ, सी 7 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, आपको अपने लिए स्टैंड लेना है। किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, जब आप अपने लिए स्टैंड लेंगे तो यू विल सी दैट बोथ द कार्ड्स ऑफ ग्राउंडिंग। 7 of Wands is also showing how, look at this person, how they're standing on the ground. You have to stand your ground. You have to be solidly standing strong. You know, King of Pentacles भी यही बोल रहे हैं, यही आपका क्लैरिटी है। King of Pentacles दिखाता है एक पर्सन जो बहुत स्टेबल है, उसके पास सब कुछ है, उसके पास पैसे है, उसके पास नॉलेज है, वो जानता है पैसे को कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, कैसे ग्रो करना चाहिए, कौन से कामों से उसका ग्रोथ होगा, और उसके पास इतना ज़्यादा स्टेबिलिटी है कि वो दूसरों को भी दे सकता है। इस चीज़ के लिए आपको 7 of Wands की एनर्जी में जाना होगा, जो कि है सॉलिड होना, मतलब अपने किसी डिसीजन को लेके उस पर स्टैंड करना, उस पर स्ट्रांगली स्टैंड करना, ठीक है। और जब आप वो करेंगे तो उसके लिए आपको फोकस की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। दैट्स वाई द फर्स्ट कार्ड हैज़ कम कि फोकस, यू नो, यू शुड नॉट लेट योर फोकस गो। एंड इस सब से आपका ना क्या होगा, आप जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट बने जाएंगे, बिकॉज कॉन्फिडेंस डज नॉट कम विदाउट प्रैक्टिस। यू हैव टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग इट, you have to believe in yourself and you have to choose yourself every single day। तो आर्कएंजल माइकल के डेक से मैंने आपको ये बताया है, और मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें जो आपको बताई है मैंने खुद प्रैक्टिस किया, और मेरे को बहुत बहुत सारे मेरी लाइफ में हर चीज़ मैं मैनिफेस्ट करती हूँ, आप भी करते होंगे, क्योंकि हमारे पास जो भगवान ने ये पावर्स दिए हैं, इन सब चीज़ों से हम अपने लाइफ को एग्जैक्टली वैसे बना सकते हैं जैसे लाइफ हम चाहते हैं। अब वो सारा डिपेंड करता है हमारे थॉट्स कैसे हैं, हम कैसे किन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचते हैं, कौन सी चीज़ों के बारे में एक्शंस लेते हैं। अगर हमको एक्चुअली में अपना पावर पता चल जाए ना, तो हमारा कोई कुछ कभी भी कोई हमें रोक नहीं सकता। और आपका जो मेन पावर है ना, एक तो ये है विशुद्धि, ये मैंने आपको बार बार बोला, इसको एक्टिवेट करें, कम्युनिकेट करें। आपकी बातों में इतना पावर होनी चाहिए कि लोग आपकी बातें सुने, आपकी बातों से लोगों के लाइफ में इन्फ्लुएंस आए, आप एक ऐसे लीडर बने जिसको लोग फॉलो करते हैं, नॉट आउट ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेलिटी बट बिकॉज they have so much to offer, and you have to activate this by saying I am a leader, I speak the truth, and I am fearless, and I live my truth. Okay, I have lot of power in my throat, and what I say helps so many people. So that is the kind of activation you should do for your throat chakra. All my videos are having a continuous message for the throat chakra, house number 5 for the Mercury house, to activate your throat chakra, to speak up, to speak, you know, to communicate. जितना अच्छे से आप कम्युनिकेट करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आपका लाइफ जो है हायर वाइब्रेशन में रीच करेगा, एंड यू विल बी स्टेपिंग इनटू योर पावर। यू कैन सी दिस ह्यूमन एंड अ लायन. So if you are a man, then you have the power of a lion, and if you are a woman, then you have a power of a tigress. Okay, so activate that power. You've been asked to believe in yourself and activate that power because you have it inside you. Now you have to allow others also to get help. You know, help others also with your power, with your words. Just words. I'm also going to take 2 cards from the Moonology deck and see what's coming for you. Oh my God, see, it says nothing is yet set in stone. तो अगर आप सोचते हो कि लाइफ में आप जहाँ पे हो आप वहीं रहने वाले हो, आप दिस इज़ वेर यू आर एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन टू यू, देन लेट मी टेल यू नथिंग इज सेट इन स्टोन. योर एक्शंस, योर डिजायर्स, योर मैनिफेस्टेशन कैन completely change your life. Where you were 1 year back and where you are today is different. Similarly, where you are today and where you're going to be a year later will also be completely based on what you do today and what you think today. So make sure that you take actions towards your goals and don't get distracted. And also this card is showing that prosperity lies ahead. So definitely there is a lot of prosperity that is lying ahead. You just have to take the adequate step, and your manifestations will need a plan. So once you have, you know, prepared everything like what you want, then just make a plan and just follow that plan. For example, you saying that you want to lose weight, then make a plan and stick to it with the diet and with the exercises, and listen to manifestation music, subliminals, and avoid things that is not good for you. So anything that is not good for your health, you have to avoid that. Similarly, thoughts wise also, any thought that is not aligned with the version that you want to become, just avoid that. Okay, so that's how you regain your focus. So I hope I have been able to help you with channelizing your energy into the right direction and to focus on the right things. If you've not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll be very happy and grateful, and I like to manifest for all my subscribers a beautiful, abundant life. And if you want a paid consultation one-on-one, you can book a reading with me. I have been a tarot reader for past 8 years, and I have given thousands of readings. I've been married to my twin flame, and he is also a psychic and a businessman, of course. And both of us have manifested the kind of life that we have always wanted to build together. And it's a mission to help others to help others also to build a beautiful manifested life. And my real name is Nairita, and when I practice tarot, I do it with the name of Angelica, because that's the intuitive voice inside me. This video is sponsored by Starley. Starley is an intuitive tarot app where you can get guidance and answers to most of your questions and everything that you need to know, and you can highly depend on it, because it's a very reliable app, because of the it has been made in such a way that whenever you go and talk to Starley, Starley will always guide you in the right direction, and it's like your companion in your pocket. Okay, and I hope you like the video. Sending you so much love and light. I hope all the dreams of yours comes true, and you get the power to follow your dreams, and you have a very beautiful life. There are some things that you want me to make a video on, you can write it down later. Write it down here. And thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot for me to share these things with you. And yeah, just make sure that you have a good vibration and you are in the right state of mind, and focus on the right things that you want to manifest. Lots of love. Bye.